And I'm doing a book review for No Talking. No Talking is a book, and it's about a boy, and he does a boys against girls contest, and they count words, and they can only say 3 words if their teachers ask them. They can't say anything at home or anything to people, but if they do, they have to count their words and tell them to whichever side of them. And I'm not going to tell you who really is really cool, and I hope you like it. This is my review. No Talking by Andrew Clements. And if you do read this book, I hope you read some of his other books. They're really good.